First time I stepped into a cab, I was nervous.
I was lost. My first month, it was hard to remember every step, and it was hard to remember where everything goes. One of my best friend's moms literally tells me every single day how proud she is of me because down here this job's really, really good.
I have a 5-year-old, a 10-month-old. Coming home and saying that, you know, Mommy's not going back to work the next day, that's my biggest fear.
Everyone at PACCAR wants to be successful, but a new employee, it could take you multiple cycles to get up to speed. Every company struggles with training. Products are much more complex, so how do you keep up? We see Guides and HoloLens as a great tool to change how adults learn. There's video built in, there's step-by-step instructions, they can overlay holographic images, and so when you have in-depth training from an electronic mentor, we believe you'll be up to speed in a compressed time frame.
It trains you, because I never done that and I know how to do it now off the first try. I think it's a really good, useful tool.
It was exciting, I don't know. It's super cool. It showed the entire harness going through the door. If I took those glasses off, I can't see that running all the way through there. By wearing the glasses, people would feel less pressure on them.
From what I've seen from the new hardware, I think it's going to knock it out of the park. Increased field of view is fantastic. Wearability is the other one. You get a much more immersive experience, one that people can use for a longer duration. I don't think there's anything close to this. Using Guides on the V2 platform will be really valuable for our business. Since Guides is built on a common platform within Microsoft, we see the ability to leverage things like electronic work instructions, data from our CAD/CAM systems and engineering, integration into our parts manual. I think we're going to use this extensively.